Our B-Town celebrities are always on a roll, traveling from one place to another, and airport turns out to be the best place to spot the celebs. Actress Disha Patni was spotted at the airport on Tuesday afternoon. The actress was seen sporting white top teamed up with track pants. Disha kept her beautiful tresses open and amped up her overall look with black sunglasses and sling bag. Actress Daisy Shah made a stylish appearance in white top paired up with camouflage print track pants. The actress was also seen flaunting her beautiful mehendi. Another fame actress, Sonal Chauhan, was also papped at the airport. Dressed in black cords, teamed up with jacket, Sonal kept her look simple yet kept up the glam quotient. Telugu superstar Nagarjun has wrapped up his portions for the upcoming fantasy adventure film Brahmastra. The actor tweeted a slew of pictures from the set on Tuesday while sharing the news. In the images, the star is seen posing with co-actors Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt and director Ayan Mukherjee. And it's a wrap for me on Brahmastra. Such an amazing experience it has been with our stellar performers Ranbir and Alia. Can't wait for you guys to witness the outstanding world Ayan Mukherjee has created, he wrote on Twitter with the images. Brahmastra also has Amitabh Bachchan in the cast and is the first part of sci-fi trilogy. The film is scheduled for release in 3D, IMAX and standard formats. Bollywood actress and fitness enthusiast Disha Patni on Tuesday has shared a picture on Instagram flaunting her perfect curves in dark pink bikini. In the picture, Disha soaks in the sun with her eyes closed and has her hair tied in a bun. For the caption, she dropped a pink flower emoji. Disha will next be seen in Radhe, co-starring Salman Khan and Randeep Hooda. The film is directed by Prabhu Deva. She is also looking forward to reuniting with filmmaker Mohit Suri on the set of Ek Villain 2. The actress has earlier collaborated with Mohit on their 2020 film Malang. Disha will also be seen in K Tina, produced by Ekta Kapoor. The film also features Akshay Oberoi and Sunny Singh. Actress Kangana Ranaut, who is currently shooting for her forthcoming spy thriller Dhakad, recently visited the local city of Betul in MP and shopped at a local clay store. While shopping, Kangana interacted with a little boy at the store, and video is going viral on social media.
Coffee cup.
गर्मियों के लिए लस्सी चाहिए और चाय के लिए चाहिए और एक मटकी चाहिए और घर को सजाने के लिए बोल चाहिए और
Sharing the video on Twitter, Kangana wrote, "Finally night shifts are over. Went shopping in Betul yesterday, bought many beautiful earthenware. There are so many things to admire and love about Madhya Pradesh. Falling in love every day." Dhakad is a spy thriller in which Kangana will play the role of Agent Agni, while Arjun Rampal will be seen as the antagonist named Rudraveer. The Rajneesh Rezi Ghai directorial is slated to release on October 1st. Actress Dia Mirza on Tuesday posted snapshots from her wedding to Mumbai-based entrepreneur Vaibhav Rekhi. The couple had tied the knot on Monday. Love is a full circle that we call home, and what a miracle it is to hear its knock, open the door, and be found by it. Sharing this moment of completion and joy with you, my extended family. May all puzzles find their missing pieces, may all hearts heal, and may the miracle of love continue to unfold all around us, Dia wrote with the wedding photographs she posted on Instagram for her extended family. In one of the photos, Dia and Vaibhav can be seen exchanging garlands. In another photo, they take feras. In yet another photo, the bride and groom are seated in front of the holy fire while an elderly female priest recites mantras. Dia chose a gorgeous red zari work sari with red dupatta and traditional jewelry. She tied her hair in a bun, adorned with a gajra. Groom Vaibhav turned out in a white kurta chudidar, white jacket and golden dupatta. This is Dia's second marriage. She was married to filmmaker Sahil Sangha from 2014 to 2019.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.